today is our day. The sheriff lied. He got caught. He must resign.
The last time I was in front of Max Public House in front of a camera and being able to speak to people, I mentioned that when the facts come out, you'll see that I did nothing wrong. And that's exactly the truth that came out. In no way would I ever intentionally harm anybody in law enforcement. What happened that night, and it is now, the facts did come out, was I was chased down in the middle of the night on a dark street by people who did not identify themselves. And it happened for one specific reason, and that was to silence me.
I'm going to tell you about the biggest lie we've ever seen right here in New York City, which I believe is horrible corruption. So after a month and a half of harassment, intimidation, arrests, fines, it turns out Danny wasn't violating any law at all, because everything that was issued has been dismissed. Correct. This is a failure of leadership, and the big lie was, even after the takedown didn't work out quite as planned, the New York City Sheriff went on the record and said there was an injured officer with 2 broken legs. And now, thanks to Brady material during the grand jury proceedings, we know that the sheriff flat out lied and quite possibly broke the law.
We have rights and we have liberties, and they are being stripped away from us. Not only does the sheriff of New York City have to be held accountable and responsible for what happened, the mayor and the governor do as well. These people are supposed to take care of us, and they are supposed to be there for us. They are put in a position of power, and they are failing us in almost every way.
A review of the certified review of the certified medical records of Sergeant Matos reveals that there were no broken legs, nor were there any other broken bones in his body. That's a credit to the district attorney's office for giving us that information, that truthful information from certified medical records. It's a discredit to the sheriff who lied about it. That conduct by the sheriff's officers is a demonstration of total incompetence, lack of training. Someone put that tactical plan together. Did the chief sheriff do it himself? Well, if the chief sheriff, Sheriff Aceto, came up with that tactical plan, he should resign immediately. Or was Sheriff Aceto merely a puppet on a string? The puppeteer being higher-ups from the mayor and the city's office. That we don't know.
Well, I'm here to tell you right now that I will not be silent. And everybody who has a voice, we need to speak and we need to be heard. So we have a lot of work to do.